Hey guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Personalities. Today we're going to discuss about Rajnath Singh, our defense minister. Before I begin, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. And also I'm hoping that you have joined the test series, right, which is very useful for you and you will be coming out with the flying colors in 2023 if you are following that timetable regularly, religiously and with dedication. And if you have any doubt, you can contact Vice sir, but do watch the foundational videos and then ask any doubt if you have, right? And keep supporting by liking and sharing these videos as much as you can. These videos will be very helpful to you. These are available to you freely. Make maximum use of it, right? So let's begin. So Sri Rajnath Singh, he was born on 10th July 1951 in the Bhabhuara village of Uttar Pradesh. He was born into a family of farmers. Rajnath Singh grew up to secure a master's degree in physics from Gorakhpur University and served as a lecturer of physics at KB Postgraduate College, Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh is one of the senior most political leaders of the country. He started his political career as a student activist with Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, that is ABVP, and went on to become Bharatiya Janata Party national president. He was elected to Uttar Pradesh Legislative Council in 1988 and became Education Minister of Uttar Pradesh in 1991. During his tenure as Education Minister in UP, he took some landmark decisions like introducing the Anti Copying Act and Vedic mathematics in the syllabus and correction of various distorted portions of history textbooks. In March 1997, when he became State President of Uttar Pradesh, unit of BJP, he provided exemplary leadership in expanding the party base and strengthening the organization. He played a key role in saving the BJP led government twice during the political crisis. In October 2000, he became Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, India's most populous state. Before that, in November 1999, he became Union Minister of Surface Transport in and the Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee government. In 2003, Shri Rajnath Singh became Minister of Agriculture in Atal Bihari Vajpayee cabinet at centre. In his role as Minister of Union Surface Transport, he initiated NDHP, that is National Highway Development Program, a dream project of Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. As Union Minister of Agriculture and subsequently for food processing, he spearheaded epoch-making projects like Kisan Call Center and Farm Income Insurance Scheme. In his role as Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh and later as Union Minister with different portfolios, he worked to strengthen the democratic edifice of the country and was devoted to the welfare of people, especially the marginalized section of the society. In the same manner as the National President of BJP, in the true spirit of an organization man, he worked tirelessly to strengthen the party and take party ideology to the masses and to every corner of the country. As BJP National President, he covered the entire length and breadth of the country. He also embarked on Bharat Suraksha Yatra, which covered several states and uh, taking up the causes of increasing terrorist activities and threats to internal security. A firm believer in the greatness of India's cultural heritage, he has always motivated the youth of the country to take inspiration from India's ancient history and cultural heritage. He believes that any pursuit of modernization is waste without knowing, acknowledging, and respecting our civilizational values. Sri Rajnath Singh believes in debates and deliberations, consensus, and cooperation as the bedrock of thriving democracy. When in 1975 national emergency was imposed by the then Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi, he vehemently opposed the move. He was arrested in 1975 and was in detention for 2 years. Another cause that is close to his heart is the empowerment of women. In 2007, as BJP national president, he proposed 33% reservation for women in the party setup. As a home minister of the country in 2015, he announced 33% of reservation for women in all paramilitary including CISF, that is Central Industrial Security Force. Prompting the spirit of Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, Raksha Mantri Sri Rajnath Singh in August 2020 decided to ban the import of 101 defense related items, and in May 2021 it was decided that another set of 108 military weapons and systems, including next generation corvettes, airborne early warning system, tank engines, and radars, will be entirely made in India. So, with this, we have come an end to this episode. Hope you enjoyed it, and do share these videos, right? And like these videos, and give the feedback comment also. Thank you for watching these videos. We'll meet in the next one. Thank you.